Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Julia if you've never been here before, but if you have, hi girls, so welcome back. I'm so glad to have you back. Hello guys and happy new year. I hope you guys are having an amazing year so far. So today I just wanted to pick up the camera and vlog just whatever the heck it is that I do today or in the week. So I was just about to head out to CVS. All the pretty girls have tummy problems. Just kidding, I did not wish that on any of you guys, but I didn't buy Tums because they help. But sometimes when I'm eating bad, fun fact, I actually have stomach ulcers. And sometimes if I'm eating like a little bit of acidic foods like a tomato or something like that, a Tum really helps. I try not to eat any of that stuff, but anyways, so I was about to head out and I was greeted by a lovely Shein package on my doorstep. So I was like, let's do a little haul, shall we guys? Let me move you guys over here real quick. Alright guys, here's a little package. So I actually only wanted to buy one thing, but I did not want to pay for shipping, so I ended up buying a bunch of other random stuff just so I didn't have to pay for shipping. Let me know if you guys are like me where like I don't care if how much money I spend, but if I have to pay $5 for shipping, oh no thank you. So anyways, let me show you guys all. I did not spend $100 by the way, but let me show you guys all the stuff that I bought. Okay, so the main thing I wanted to buy was these, and if you don't know what these are hair rods, and they feel really nice. You put them here and then you clip them like this. They are very similar to the overnight blowout that I really wanted, but that one is $50 and I cannot afford that. These were $4 and they look pretty. I've never got the other one, but they look pretty identical, so I'm so excited to use them. We should try them out tonight and then I'll show you guys tomorrow how they look. I'm so excited. I have been wanting this for so long. Okay, so I got that. Main thing that I wanted was that, and then I did buy they gave me the wrong color. I wanted the brown little kitty. They gave me a little kitty headband. I bought a little kitty headband just for when I'm like doing my skincare. I hate when the soap gets like up here, so I decided it's time for me to buy one of these. And this is so cute and so fluffy, and it's like a little cat. Look at how cute these are. These are like little hair ties. Oh my god, look how pretty. These are like hair ties and they're technically not supposed to pull your hair. Oh my god, they look so cute. Very Valentine's Day vibes. Y esto, I believe it's one of the same little tees that I have bought in the past. Yeah, so it looks like this. I got it in the size medium. I love these so much. They're so stretchy and they're so comfy, so I bought that one. And then this, oh my goodness, so I have been wanting an unbrush because on my video, and this is like a similar one. Oh my god, you guys, let me tell you guys something real quick. If you guys do content, I heard that you're not supposed to say the word dupe followed by a brand name because a lot of girls and a lot of influencers have been actually getting sued, girl, by the companies because people are recommending dupes. So do not, if you're an influencer, please do not be saying dupes because let me say to you, okay? Anyways, that's the point. I have been wanting a brush like this for a very long time, and supposedly this is not supposed to rip through your hair, so I'm excited to use this. And actually my sister-in-law has one of these. I think she also got it at Shein and she loves it, so get that one. I actually tried it at her house before I bought it. Okay, next up is okay, I have been trying to take care of my hair, hence the brush, and I bought this, what is it, like a satin, it's kind of funny, like a little jellyfish. It's like a little satin thing and you can adjust the size because I already had one, but it was like, it was so scrunchy that it was like, I would get headaches because it was so tight. So this one, I like that it has this like adjustable thing that I can put it however I want, and then, you know, I can just bloop and go to sleep and my hair will be hopefully fine. Okay, next up I got these cute little dainty earrings. Look how pretty they are, and guess how much I paid for these? 39 cents, girl. Look how cute, especially for Valentine's Day coming up. Next up, girl, I did not expect this thing to be this tiny. I did not. This is supposed to be like an ice roller thing where you put water in it and then you freeze it and then you like take the top off and, you know, you ice roll your face or something like that. I didn't think it was gonna be this tiny. Like, this is tiny. Can we, this is for reference. I also bought this beauty blender. They're about the same size. Hello, what? But it's okay, I guess we don't need that much ice anyways, right? I'll just be like okay, cool, whatever. So I bought this little ice thing. It was also a few cents, which is probably why it was so tiny. And then I also got this little squishy little beauty blender, and that is it. But the main thing that I really wanted, well, this is super cute actually, little kitty. I wanted the brown one, but it's okay. The main thing I wanted was this, and I'm so excited. We'll try these tonight, you guys. We'll try these tonight, and I'll let you know how they work. Okay, let me put all this away, and then we're gonna head to CVS because I need my Tums. My tummy. But you know what? 2023 is the year that we are healing ourselves. We're healing our bodies. And I am going to be healthy. I am going to have no more stomach ulcers, no more problems with my tummy. I'm going to be healthy. You're going to be healthy. Our families are going to be healthy. So this is the year. 2024. Oh my God. 2024 is the year of health, wealth, great opportunities. All the doors will open for you. All the doors will open for me. We are going to have great success in 2024. Claim it, girl. Okay, we made it. I ended up putting this puffy jacket. Oh my God, my makeup. I ended up putting this puffy jacket over me because it is freezing out here. Like where I live, it is like really, really cold. 50% off. Oh, look, like the ones I just bought. We also have this stuff. Oh no, 75% off toys and Christmas. So how much is this? How cute. Okay, so they actually have like a lot of Christmas stuff despite that it's already like mid-January. This is like the stuff I found so far. I'm gonna check the prices though. $2.50 for these socks. I'm curious for this one though because it's like a little Sherpa teddy bear body bag. This one's full price. It's $12.99. We don't want her. And then I found these two. I don't eat them with chocolate anymore though because we're trying to heal our stomachs in 2024. $5.99. And then this huge thing, $8.75. So I don't need any of it. In conclusion, this is the only thing that's like a good deal, which is $2.50 for 2 socks. I'm gonna go put these things back, and then I'm gonna go look for my Tums because, girl, I need Tums. I don't need to be hurting my stomach even more. Look at all the stuff they have. Like, I'm so surprised that they have like a bunch of stuff still. Stock, like these are kind of cute, but I wish they were white. You know. Like, these little tags are so pretty. They have like a little Max. I think it's like a dog toy though. I don't like them though. We made it to the spot. I think I'm gonna get these because they're on sale. And also don't forget to always get your coupon receipts before you buy anything because sometimes like I got $1.30 off, and there's been times where I get like up to $10 off. So do not sleep on CVS, girl. Come here. Okay, I think I'm just gonna get these and then maybe these socks. We'll see. But I'm gonna go pay because I do want to go to Safeway, which is right next door. All right, guys, so we are back home now, and I'm going to do my nails. I got these gloves on Amazon. If you guys hear shuffling, it is... We currently have a dog in the house. It is not mine, but there's a puppy in the house, so she's just going crazy over there. We're just gonna let her do her thing. Anyways, I got these on Amazon, and these are UV protecting gloves. Call me crazy, I don't care, but I am so scared of like the rays of sun. I do not want to have any wrinkles. I mean, I already have wrinkles, but I do not want to have any more wrinkles than I should, and I don't want to have any sunspots. So I got these. I got them in the purple color. They were actually on sale on Amazon. They were actually on sale for like $5 on Amazon when I got them. I'll try to leave the link down below in case you guys want. They're this brand right here. So they're like this. I have really tiny hands, so I have to like push them down, but they look like this. And then my sister, as you guys saw from the video of me opening the gifts, she did give me a gel nail kit, which is so exciting. I really originally only wanted like the light, and then I was gonna buy the nail polishes, but she got me the whole shebang, girl, the whole package. So this has like a bunch. It has 60 nail polishes, which is a lot. I'm also still learning how to use this thing. Okay, so here's one of them, and then there's like a whole other thing in there, and it came with a ton of stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing my nails. I asked my husband, I was like, what color should I do? And he said emerald green. So per his request, we're going to be doing emerald green. Well, this is like the closest to emerald green I have, which is just like a verdecito. So I'm gonna be doing my nails, and I'll be telling you guys about my New Year's resolutions. Not that you guys care, but I'm gonna tell you guys some of them. What are your New Year's resolutions? First of all, do you have any New Year's resolutions? Do you guys do those things? I've never done this, so like I'm learning as I go. So if you have any tips and tricks for me, please let me know because I have no clue, girl. But anyways, New Year's resolutions, you guys, I don't have that many, which is kind of funny because last year I feel like I had a ton. I had a whole list, a whole book of like New Year's resolutions, and this year's it's like more simple. one of the big ones obviously is like to focus on my health, to make sure I am the healthiest I have ever been. Like I think 2023 was one of the biggest like health scares for me, like healthy wise scares for me. So I definitely want to focus on my health a lot this year. Gut health, moving my body, nourishing my body, nourishing my brain. Like second, girl, I want to make sure I spend time and get to know my parents, which is crazy because I feel like oftentimes we forget that our parents are like people too. I know that sounds kind of weird, but like we forget that our parents lived a whole ass life before us. Like I forgot that. And like the last time I went to LA, like I wanted to make sure that I was at home with my parents. Like everybody, like cousins, family, everybody wanted to like go out, blah blah, but I was like, I want to be with my parents. Like everybody who I've known that like their parents unfortunately are not here anymore, they've all said like, I wish I had more time, I wish I had more time. And I have time, so I'm like, I'm gonna sit there and I'm gonna get to know them. And I did, and like I learned so many things. Like for example, top coat first of all. For example, I learned that my dad hunted before, which who knew, girl? I go hunting nowadays. And to top it all off, like my dad would hunt, like he would hunt a few animals, but he would tell me about this like armadillos that he would hunt, and I was like, what the hell, of all animals in the world, that's something cool and amazing that I would have never known. Like what the hell? Which is exciting. So like I really want to dedicate this year and the years to come to get to know my parents, to get to know my mom, get to know my dad. Like they're experiencing the world and they lived a whole world before us. So I want to know qué hicieron. Like I just want to know everything about them, you know. I really want to focus on my YouTube, of course. Like I want to make sure that you guys are taken care of, that we're posting videos, that our videos are likable, I hope. And I really want to get to 5K next. I think we can hit it for sure this year, like God willing. Oh my god, this little dog, you can see this thing moving, right? We have like vegetables here and stuff. You guys, I thought, okay, look, I had dogs all my life and I thought I was a dog person. I said, you know what, I'm a dog person, like don't ever give me cats. I am a dog person 110%, you know what? But now that I have cats, like I love my kitties and they're so independent and they come cuddle with me whenever they want to. And like, I don't know, man. I think I'm starting to be just a cat lady, but you guys let me know, because maybe I just haven't had a dog in like a long time. But like, girl, this is not even my puppy, and that puppy requires a lot of time. Okay, so here's the thing. I put it for like the 45 seconds, but it's still like sticky. Should I just stick it in for another 45? Maybe I'm just doing like too thick of a coat. I have to be in this like awkward angle because the cord is so tiny. So I have to be like this. I probably need to buy like another extension cord or something. But if you guys have any New Year's resolutions, please let me know. Put them down in the comments below. Put them out there in the world. Let me know. Okay, so I did one hand with the green and I don't like it. Like this is not emerald green, girl. This is like slime green. Okay, I think I'm just gonna put another green on top of it. And also, you guys, I'm currently watching Selling OC like right now as I'm doing my nails. Let me know if you guys have watched Selling OC. I am in the first season. I was so like hesitant to watch it just because I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna like it as much as Selling Sunset, but I like it. There's a lot of drama. It's different, but I like it. Let me know if you guys watch it, and if you guys watch any other reality TVs. I also watch 90 Day Fiance, so let me know if you guys watch that too. I love, you guys, it's my toxic trait. I love reality TV. But if you have any shows that you want to watch, or any like shows in general that you recommend, please let me know in the comments down below, because I want to know, girl. Okay, so I was watching Selling OC and I finished my manicure and I don't like it. It's not my favorite, but I was like, I don't want to go take it all off and blah blah. My fat thumbs, excuse them. But also, I don't know how to get it smooth. If you have tips on how to get your like acrylic, see, like mine's all bumpy, can you please let me know how to do that? Because it's my first time, so I'm learning a lot. But so far, the green is, that's the dog, you guys. She's just getting into everything. But anyways, that's none of my business. That's not my dog. But this is what it looks like. They're not my favorite, I will say, but we're just gonna actually the lejitos no se ven tan mal because it looks darker, but we're just gonna stick through with them. I will say I do love the gel nail vibe. My niece used to always do my nails, like the gel nails, and they would last me so long and no chipping, so I'm excited for that. Okay, so before I go to bed and wash my face, I want to put my rods in, and I want to use my unbrush. My hair is a little bit tangled, not too much, but I want to see like what's the difference, you know. Okay, still pulls my hair a tad bit, but it does it pretty good. I like it. People were saying that you can also start from up here, but I think just out of habit I like doing it from the bottom up because I don't know, I just don't want to break my hair any more than it already is, you know. I was hearing that you should use like oil or something first, so I'm gonna use this one. This is the Paul Mitchell Skinny Serum. I love these. I get these at Marshall's because they're like way better priced. I'm also trying to speak low because everybody's asleep, so I don't want to. Should I go temples? So I'm gonna go straight forward. Okay, here's the tea though. I don't know if I go in or out. I think I'm gonna go in. It's a little bit more difficult than I thought. I also just got a bunch of layers cut, so they're all like falling down. Oh my god, I look funny. Okay, and then the middle one, and then the last one. Oh my gosh, guys. You may not see. Okay, maybe. Okay, so I have finished, but there's like, you see my layers? They're just like flying out. I'll let you guys know tomorrow how it works out. I don't know how, obviously I didn't do the great of a job, but vamos a ver how I even last through the night like this. But okay, you guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning for the result. All right, good morning, guys. I look a little crazy, scary lady, but I just woke up, and honestly, I think I'm just not used to it because I don't know, como que me duele la cabeza poquito because I feel like I have a lot of hair, so it was like hurting me a bit, but we made it. I think they survived. You tell me what they look like. I think they survived. But we're gonna start taking this off. I wish I had my tripod, that way it's easier for you to see. But anyways, let's see. Can you guys see? Let's start with, I have really high hopes for these, so I really hope that it worked. Ooh. I guess I need to find a better spot because, girl. Okay, I think that looks a little bit better. So here's the first one. On to the next. I will say, I don't know how the original ones look, but these look similar. Okay, so let's see. Wow, that looks so pretty actually. Okay, I think that's so nice. Oh my god. Okay, for $4, go get them. Oh my god, they're so cute. Oh my goodness, girl, this is so pretty. Oh my god, also you guys, my nails chipped and I just did them yesterday, so if you guys have any tips or tricks for me to do, because this is my first time using like the gel nail kit, so please. Oh my god, I love my hair. So please let me know if you have any tips or tricks, because girl, why are they chippy? Well, this one survived. This one did not. So please let me know. And okay, I think I'm just gonna end the video here, and then I'll start a new vlog for tomorrow or another day. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.